All right. We are live. All right. You're welcome to the webinar. You're welcome to the webinar. Okay, please let's do a quick sound check before we start up. All right, guys. You're welcome once again. And my name is Sam Nebo. So we are starting up in a few minutes. Just to clear off some things. So in tonight's meeting, we're going to talk about easy way we can make money with cryptocurrency and retire rich man. All right, so I believe you guys can hear me. I believe you can hear me. Okay. So I want you to use the chat box, please. If you can hear me, just use the chat box and say, yes, I can hear you. That will help to authenticate the process. I want to say, yes, 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 you can hear me. All right. Okay, guys. So tonight meeting, I'm going to talk about the 3 strategies that you're going to use and that will help you to be in continuous profit, continuous profit in cryptocurrency. And that was what I used, and I was able to turn $100 into $40,000 trading and investing into cryptocurrency space. All right, so my name is Sam Nebo, and I'm a serial entrepreneur, an investor, and a crypto trader. I'm also the CEO of Hub of Demand International. 2014, I was introduced to cryptocurrency, but I thought it was just one of these online scam, that was trending and trying to siphon people money. I never know it was something that is serious and legit and ready to make money. All right, so but that's just by the way. I have a family, and I'm also a father. My husband and a father can see my family. So what is cryptocurrency and blockchain? What is cryptocurrency and blockchain? if you check the internet, you see all kind of things about blockchain, all kind of stuff about cryptocurrency, both the real thing and not the real thing. But in a summary, I want to define the blockchain and the cryptocurrency in a summarized form. The blockchain is an evolution of trust. And how do I mean? As the word connotes, this is a chain of blocks, and those blocks they are chained together in a ledger, just like a bank account, and the ledger that is the transaction going on in the bank account. So, but this is now a chain of network connected together, and they are transmitting information, exchanging data, exchanging stuff together. And now, because that chain can be accessible from anywhere and anybody can see what's going on in the chain, so it brings a kind of trust to the society. And that's why we say it's an evolution of trust. So because most times people trust what they can see, that this is real. You've seen it. So because you can see what is going on in the blockchain, then you now know that, yes, this is real. All right. So, and not only money that can be put on blockchain, you have like Ethereum Ethers, different things that can be put on blockchain. And that's why you see many ICOs coming up, because most of the ICOs are focusing on different aspect of token or different aspect of things that can be seen on blockchain. And that's why this is an emerging technology that is changing the way we live our life, we do things. Imagine you buying a banana from a shop and reaching your house, you snap the QR code on that banana. It tells you from which farm the banana comes from and which transport has handled the banana from the farmer to the shop and how long that thing have taken. You've seen all the histories about the banana. Imagine you're trying to purchase a house and you've seen the house, you just snap the house and it tells you from the rightful owner of the land, and to the person, the first guy who sold it to, and the person that built the house, and how many tenants have lived in that house before you. So if it can access this kind of information, that will bring a trust. Then you now know, okay, good, this is a good deal for me or not a good deal for me. So because that is a kind of an open ledger, so it brings a trust to the society. Also in the area of cryptocurrency, which is an evolution of digital money. This is an evolution of digital money, and anybody from anywhere, can transfer money with less fee and instant transfer. It has a lot of advantage over other stuff, over other platforms or traditional ways we've been using to transfer money. An example of these coins are all listed, which you can see they are Bitcoin, Ethereum, one Neocoin, Monero, Capricorn, and Ripple, and all of these. So now, how do you make money from all these things? I remember vividly last year, 2017, that was in March, I bought my first Ripple. This is a transaction I did with GitHub. I bought my first Ripple with them. Then after a few months, or like 2-3 months, and I saw this thing going up. The market was just going crazy. It was going up so high, and the $100 invested into the Ripple then turned out to be 5,000 plus, and then that was a good deal. So that really opened my eyes to see what is going on. So I was able to net over 1.9 million gain from that investment, and after that, I started to invest into other coin like the Neo coin. That was the Ant share. That was back then. I invested into Ant share. That was in August after the Bitcoin BTC hard fork, and it was started going up crazy like this. And I was able to net 1,396 profit percent. Then also I was able to invest into Verge coin. I invested into Verge coin. This is my Verge coin. That's a trading view analysis. So I made this announcement from trading view that, hey, buy Verge coin, breakout is confirmed. So when I discovered this and I bought in, I waited for it, and there was a great massive move. Look at what happened after that confirmation. You can see my name is being stated here, that I was the one that made the announcement at this legion. Then the market went up this high, over 2,500% on Vergecoin. So with this alone, it helps me to net over 40,000 plus profit, you know, and that was it. With this massive gain, so I decided was that over 14.8 million in naira. That was Nigerian money currency. If you convert it, that was this money in Nigeria. So, but after this, many of my fellow guys have been contacting me, you know, telling me about how I can help them, you know, how they are losing money. I remember vividly again on November 28, 2017, I made this video on YouTube, on Facebook. It was a post I made on Facebook, and I said, beware of BitConnect, guys. I invest what you can afford to lose, build a portfolio on real assets. I made this post. You can see the date here. That was my Facebook account. Then immediately I did that thing. I made that post. Look at what happened to BitConnect. BitConnect was here, and just like this is December, January. After January, the thing crashed massively like this. And you see, guys, I know many guys lose money here. Many guys lose money. And now the thing has been going flat. So I understand that these things, there are some coins see there that are not offering any value. Okay, they are not offering any value. So they are just there to take money out of you. So anything that has to do with MLM kind of cryptocurrency, refer end kind of stuff is not sustainable. So how was I able to make this money from this uncertain market? The thing I was doing, I was netting this money, is I was learning how to buy low and sell high. Yes, it sounds as simple as that. And also I was learning how to sell high and buy low. So this is what I was doing. And that's just a summary of the business. Buy low, sell high, and buy low. So that is what I want to show you, the 3 strategies on how to do this. But before that, note that this is not another network marketing stuff. It's not another MMM or such related. This is not a refer to earn commission programs like that. It's a real business, and the business is summarized with this word: buy things that are going up, sell things that are coming down, and when they stop, you quit. So that's how simple it sounds. You buy things that are going up, you sell things that are coming down, and when they stop, you quit. All right, so how can you do this? Now, in every chart, there is different accumulations. There are different stages of a chart. We have accumulation stage, excitement state, anxiety state, and panic state. Now, if you look at the Bitcoin chart today, this is a Bitcoin chart. As at when I drawn this, it's still at the panic stage. So because many guys don't know what is going on in Bitcoin. Some are confused. Some think it's going down, 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 and down. So, but we understood what is going on, and we know that this is just a normal thing that will happen to any business, that it goes up and comes down, it corrects itself. All right, so that is what is going on. So the best time for you to accumulate, for you to buy, is during the accumulation stage. After that, you now wait. At the excitement stage, you start selling, and the anxiety and panic state, you start wait. You wait until it start consolidating, they start buying again. All right, so these are the 3 strategies I've been talking of, and that's what I want to show you tonight. So the first strategy is pick a coin, identify an asset. So, and the condition for this is that the coin you are picking must have at least 500 million market cap, 500 million market cap, and also it must have at least 500 BTC daily volume, 500 BTC daily volume. So with this criteria, you can find all these things in coin market cap, then that coin is as good as buy. So, but then you need to go to the second strategy. You know, this is just a similar analysis of how these things have been done. It's a Dogecoin typical example. You know, look at Dogecoin here. It has over 2,000 plus over BTC volume, market cap over 500 million, stuff like that. And now the second stage is analyze the charts. Analyze the charts. You analyze the charts. And how do you analyze the charts? You know, there are different ways I do analyze the charts. But currently now, I specialize into, I do, my strategy is Elliott wave. But Elliott wave looks more complex, you know, in understanding than support and resistance. So the first thing I advise anybody to do is support and resistance. Identify, drawing your support level and drawing your resistance level, because that one helps you. It helps you to know what is going on, when to look for a buy and when to look for a sell. So if I should analyze this chart in a simple way, you can see the same chart here has been analyzed. And you see this is our support, this is our resistance. So the support is where the market bounces, resistance is where the market is reversing. So having analyzed it, you can see now that this Bitcoin, sorry, this is a Ripple chart. It found a resistance here and it retraced down, found the support, goes up again. So, and later it now tested that resistance, also bounced at that support level. You can see now. So every market has memory. And that's why it's always good for you to having this long-term mentality of the market. Have a long-term mentality of the market. That is how you can make good money. You know, don't be short-sighted, be looking at the overnight profits. Have a long-term mentality. I'm comfortable with trading with 1 daily hours, and that is the daily chart. Daily chart. All right. So having done that, then the second thing, the third thing you need to do is to buy a support and sell a resistance. So with this thing in mind and with this thing played out, you know how to buy and sell. All right. So, but the main work here is identifying and analyzing the charts, especially analyzing the chart. It sounds so easy, but it takes time for you to master it. Now, I've decided to help some few guys, especially beginners, people who don't have any knowledge in trading. You know, this course is for people that are totally beginners. If you are just starting, if you have been losing money and you don't know what to do, how to do it right, I believe this is for you. And I've packaged a crash course for beginners, and it's a complete A to Z that will turn anybody into a smart and profitable investor. So what you're going to get in this beginners course is what we call the possessing the mindset. That's worth like 5,000. Also, you are going to get the psychology of the market, understanding the psychology, over 20,000. You're going to get the best way to buy Bitcoin from Nigeria using your bank account. You know, we know most guys that are buying Bitcoin here, they are looking for exchangers, third party to help them. You know, you pay them in Naira and they fund your Bitcoin for you. But now the game has changed. So you buy directly from bank and you can sell to your bank without no intermediary. Or also, you're going to learn the best way to secure and store your Bitcoin values and how to learn portfolio management. Also, you know, after I made my money, I splitted my profits into different sizes. So, and that helps me to protect and to balance my risk reward ratio, because these things is a probability level. Anything can happen in the market. So if you put all your eggs in one basket and the basket decides to be stolen, you know what happens to you? That means you lose all your eggs. But if you scatter your eggs in different baskets and one basket is stolen, the other one can be preserved. All right. So, and also the best secured exchanges, you don't trade on all exchanges. There's some good exchange, there's some not good exchange. We also talk about the support and resistance, to talk about the trend line trading, talk about the market structure. All these things is what you're going to learn in our basic course. Okay. So, and I've packaged it for you and you alone. And the total worth in Naira is over 290,000 Naira, but you're going to get it for free. When I mean for free, I mean what I'm saying. But the bonus pack also is secrets of investing into ICOs, how to invest profitably. You know, the ICO world is full of scam. A lot of things going on here. Everybody is now launching ICOs, and that tell you that, hey man, there's a lot of scam going on in that industry, and you're going to learn how to filter the the bad from the good and stuff like that. So also the Bollinger Band trading secret. Bollinger Band trading secret. Then this is very good, easy for new beginners. Bollinger Band trading secret. Very, very easy for beginners. So you're going to learn this thing too. All right. So all these things you're going to learn, but the bonus is only for the first 20 guys. Then there is one of our students who just completed the mentorship class, and now
cryptocurrency. What is that people need first for them to succeed, especially in this cryptocurrency investing and trading?
Obviously, it's the knowledge. It's the knowledge. Yeah, you know, it's the people. There's a lot of hype.
Yeah.
I belong to a lot of WhatsApp groups, and I see people popping, jump in and promote some vicious things about cryptocurrency. I just laugh. You know, if I had not gotten the knowledge that I've gotten now, I would have also been falling into the water here and there.
Falling victims of this.
Yes. So it's the knowledge, and people are throwing money. People are throwing money here and there. This thing, you gain this, you make a lot of money. This coin is doing this, you know.
Yes.
Just like, you know, so it's the knowledge.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, people don't have the patience to you know, people don't want to look for the knowledge. They just want to make money.
Exactly, by all means.
They just want to make money by all means.
Exactly.
They don't look for their hands, their fingers burn. So it's the knowledge that people should look for. Even the Bible says people perish for lack of knowledge.
Exactly.
You have heard it. He's one of our students, and now he said the best thing everybody needs is knowledge, and that's what we are trying to offer you at the beginner stage. Now, when you access this coin, the back office of the training, you have a look at the site, look at the videos. Anyone you click, see they are not that long. Anyone you click, you'll be able to watch it, you know, and study it. Also, there's another student here who's already making like $200 every day. He sent me his own video, but this is WhatsApp audio he sent to me. All right, let me see if I can play some part of it.
All right. Good morning. My name is Prince, and I'm glad to make this audio about my cryptocurrency class with Sam Nebo. It was a wonderful moment knowing this fabulous mentor. It's been a very brilliant moment having gone through this class for this period. And his follow-ups after the class has also been very, very encouraging. Let me just summarize in a few words. I've been able to save or make at least $200 on a daily basis since we finished this class. Previously, I've been losing a lot of money, and I couldn't explain how that has been happening. But when I finished this class, I began to understand how the cryptocurrency operates. Now, it was a wonderful time going through the beginning class where we about the concept of cryptocurrency.
If you heard it, he's making good money and also enjoy himself. Over $200 every day he's making. These are more. But now for you to grab this course, we are trying to give it out for you at a very, very, very discounted price. You know, for it not to be abused or spread over the internet, people are using it. So if you want it, you can click on that link now and access it. The only price you're paying now is 10,000 Naira. 10,000 Naira. And I believe this is just at a giveaway free price. What is 10,000 Naira to the value of what you are getting? So I decided to give it out at this. Now, yesterday, let me show you what happened yesterday. I made this post to guys. I said, buy Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is breaking out this wedge, and I know that something great is happening. So you can see the level of Bitcoin where it is now. Okay, guys, so you can click on that link. Yes, you can click on that link. Yes, how to buy. Just click on that link, and the first 20 guys to have access to the bonus listed. Bought Bitcoin here, and is this level the pattern we identify, and they bought here, and look at what happened. Over 10% profit, happening overnight, and more and more and more like that is coming up. So guys, just click on that link now and subscribe. If you have any other question, please you ask. Okay. All right. Yes, you can start up with any amount. Somebody's asking how much can he start up with. In cryptocurrency, the advantage of cryptocurrency over Forex is that cryptocurrency gives you a room to start up with any amount. Here you can start up with $10, $5, whatever. I know one guy that started with $5 and he built that $5 to like $150, stuff like that. So there's no limits here. Okay, so the most important thing is to know what you're doing. All right, so yes, you can fund directly from your bank account, and that's the knowledge you're going to get when you access this course video. Yes, this is for beginners. Okay, it's for beginners. We have other higher advanced technical analysis, but we don't. That one is not for beginners. It's for like intermediate students, and we run that on mentorship class only. All right, so if you have questions, please ask. If you don't, kindly click on that offer now, because it will soon be removed. Okay, yeah, it just for a few guys to have access to it. So that's it. All right, so I will advise you to take advantage of this now, because another big move is coming in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, another big move is coming, and get ready for that big move so that you can enjoy this ride and make good money in it. So with that all, I want to say thank you once again for attending tonight. We try as much as possible to be responsible and also to help you to achieve great profit using in cryptocurrency world. All right, so we expect to see you on the inside as you take action tonight. So thank you once again. See you.